Hello, and welcome to another update on Ethereum. I'm here on the smaller time frame chart right now, and this is the 1 hour time frame. We covered the daily chart earlier today. Feel free to check it out if you want to see the bigger picture. And also, if you like the content, the analysis, make sure you subscribe and give the video a like. It would be highly appreciated. So we're going to take a look at the shorter time frame here, 1 hour time frame, and we are currently moving in a sideways range. It's quite clear that the market is currently moving in a correction. I'm not convinced that we are breaking down here. I mean, to be honest, we're talking about maybe the potential for a little lower prices to go towards the $3,670 level. That is quite likely. I'm not convinced yet because the bears have not been able to follow through to the downside in recent weeks. And the bulls always show up when the bears are ready to break it down. So I'm not quite convinced we are really moving down here in this larger wave 4 in the white scenario. Rather, this blue triangle pattern seems to be playing a key role here at the moment. Let me explain these two pathways. I mean, overall, the idea is this is a wave 4. I mean, that is the main thesis. We're in a wave 4. In recent updates, I shared again and again what the relevant support levels are. Yeah. Especially here, the area around $3,670 is next key support below, and then $3,370. There's no guarantee we get there. We don't have to get there. Actually, the longer we move sideways, the more likely it gets that the correction is unfolding as a triangle and will get completed without significant drawdown, and will rather just complete this correction over time rather than price. So what that means is that this wave 4 correction that we're tracking could simply be A, B, C, D, E as a triangle pattern and then move up from there. How is that possible? Well, there are two ways how a correction can unfold really: over price, white scenario, and over time, blue scenario. Essentially, in both of them, the idea is this is a wave 4. The main question is how the wave 4 actually unfolds. You know, what are the microstructures here? And in this blue scenario, in the triangle, we are basically, well, I would say there's a good chance we're in the D wave. The wave C of the triangle completed around the 1st of September. And the D wave would be an ABC structure, A wave, maybe even the B wave of the D wave is a triangle. I don't want to make it too complex, but that's actually possible. And then an E wave down, and then we go up. With a triangle like that, it's important to recognize that the breakout is often into the opposite direction of the E wave. So that would be here. The E wave comes down, the breakout should then be up. And we'll need a break above that $4,850 area to confirm that further. Now, if we, however, lose the previous swing lows, if we break below $4,211, then I assume we will move down more directly. That's a wave count that's valid: wave A, wave B, and then 1, 2, A, B, wave C to the downside as 5 wave move like this. That would confirm wave C of 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. And that would not be bearish necessarily, but it would likely lead to a test of that 38.2 retracement, which is an ideal level for a fourth wave. So that's what we're tracking here at the moment. I mean, this scenario, the white scenario, will become far less likely with a break above the green line at $4,500. That's a level, if broken, that would confirm further, in my opinion, that we're actually working here on the blue D wave. So how can we really distinguish between the blue and the white scenario? So for me, a break above 4,500 will shift probabilities further towards the blue count, more like a triangle. Whereas a break below 4,211 would confirm further the white scenario. For now, we're just moving sideways. Literally just noise. I've been highlighting that for the last few days. And I mean, what can I say? The market has exactly done that, just sideways action. I know that's not great, because it just means being patient, but it is something that, we have to be, right, patient in markets sometimes. But I keep you updated. Any changes, you will hear them here first. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our membership. Also, Follow us on X for additional updates, news, and much more. You can find all the updates here for additional charts, macro charts, and much more. Stuff we don't share on YouTube. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.